Oh, hey guys, I'm Gianna and this is
I'm Gina, I'm her mom.
And today, together, we're going to unbox the StyleQ flat iron. We're very excited about it.
Yes.
She is constantly looking for something that is easy and low maintenance to use.
You can't really tell right now, but my hair, especially when I go into humidity, just goes, I look like Monica on Friends. And so I'm really just looking for something to smooth it out and just kind of give me a sleek sort of vibe. My hair is short, but whether it's short, medium, long, I've never been great with styling it. So I'm so excited to try this because the other tools that we tried from this company have been spectacular.
Amazing. So let's look at what it looks like.
All right. Yay! Let's see, take it out.
Oh. All right, here it is. StyleQ flat iron.
Yes, that's amazing.
So it's supposed to have really cool features like graph flow technology that make it heat up faster so that it evenly distributes the heat on your hair, I guess.
Oh my gosh, that would be amazing.
And these 3D titanium plates are supposed to literally adjust heat distribution to the pieces of your hair based off of its thickness, so you don't have to go over and over it 1,000 times and like burn your hair off.
That's great news, especially with my short hair, because it could be really easy to overdo and fry it up or get it frizzed out. And I'm really excited to try it because, yeah.
Okay, let's see. So our temperature gauge and everything is right here, which is so nice. And it actually has 12 different temperature settings that are also supposed to remember the setting you used last. So when you come to it in the morning, it's already ready.
That's great for busy mornings. Sometimes I forget what setting I would leave things on. So
yeah,
that's amazing.
Exactly. So cool.
Oh wow, it feels really smooth and easy to hit that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like the plates know exactly how much heat to distribute because like even the thinner parts of your hair when I'm doing it.
Oh my gosh,
it's not
that's
burning.
kind of amazing, and it just makes it feel so smooth. This is really important, especially like I said, I have short hair and my hair is fine, so usually it feels like it's snagging with other flat irons, and this feels like it's doing it really gently and in one pass, and I think this is going to be my new best friend.
So the ionic infrared technology, this pretty little red light, really does work magic. It just makes your hair frizz-free and so smooth. Immediately, it just really makes your hair feel and look a lot more.
Wow, it does. Look at that.
Healthy
my
and
hair,
full.
My hair actually looks like it's a little bit glossy without all my frizz.
I know.
That's amazing.
You're used to wanting to go over it again, and you
literally don't have to.
So this also has a 45-minute automatic shut-off, which is very, very helpful for people that are super forgetful and almost burn down their house every other day like me.
Yeah, literally, I just feel like, wow, I can handle this, and it just is 1, 2, 3. I love it. Love it.
And it's pretty.
Yay.
So we were having a little fun and added a little curl because this tool is literally just that versatile, but she's cute and bouncy.
I know, I love it. My hair feels like really soft and super shiny, and thanks for styling me. I appreciate it, but I feel like I'm ready to go. I need to go put a little makeup on and I'm ready for the night.
This was so fun. I'm so glad that you love the StyleQ. I love everything by Skin Research Institute, but this is definitely a crowd favorite. Was it for my mom? Yes. Will I be stealing it and fighting her for it? Probably yes. So
be careful about that. No, we really love these StyleQ products. They have been a game changer for me. Like I said, I have never been great styling my hair, short, medium, long. I've had it all different ways, and this has made it like really doable.
Yeah,
and
easy,
quick
peasy.
And easy.
It's pretty, it's sleek, easy to travel, all things.
Put it on your wish list. Thanks so much for watching. This has been amazing. I'm so excited about it, and if you love this, make sure that you ask for the StyleQ and get your version of this to try on your hair. It's spectacular.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a review. Go try out these tools for yourself. They have amazing deals going on all of the time, so keep your eyes peeled for that. And go upgrade your hair game.
Yes, and we'll put a link below so you can get your own.
Right here, in the bio.
Yay.
Or comments, whatever it is. I don't know, technology. Thank you guys for watching. We had so much fun, and we'll see you next time.